Hi, it's Samantha Draper here again. If you've tuned into any of our previous videos, you'll know that we're very excited to introduce the new group functionality within iComply. With this video, I want to take a closer look at one of the reports on our group functionality insights dashboard. As you can see, the whole dashboard is designed to give you reports to tell you how your group of practices are performing with their compliance. In this video, I want to take a look at this report at the bottom here, so the compliance activities completed. You'll see here that there's a number of different areas that this is looking at. So it's giving us an overall percentage rating of our compliance, and then it drills down to give us a rating for each of the current key lines of inquiry with the CQC. So essentially the way the CQC are inspecting at the moment is against this criteria. So this gives you a really good insight as to how, as a group, you are performing to the key lines of inquiry. You'll notice again that this uses a RAG rating system. So green, amber, and it will show red if you drop below a certain percentage. Thankfully, in this case, we're not showing any red, but it will show that if that's relevant. So this gives a great overview for you to see how you're doing as a whole. But I think more importantly, if you are managing a group of practices, if you own a group of practices, if you're involved even in managing a handful of the practices within a larger group, then you need to be able to see this data on a more local level. So as you go into the report, when you click View More, it will show you a breakdown of this data. So you can see on the left here, it lists my practices. It gives each of my practices an overall rating of how they're doing. It then, as on the previous page, breaks it down by key line of inquiry. So you can see how compliant you are with safe, caring, effective, responsive, and well-led. As with all reporting in group functionality, it will automatically sort the data so that the lowest performing practice is shown at the top of the list. And the reason for this is because we know that as a practice owner or a practice manager, a compliance manager, whatever your role is, if you're looking at this, the thing that you're going to want to know first is where do you need to drive more attention and support? Where are there potential risks that could leave you open or vulnerable should you be inspected? So this will tell you from the lowest percentage to the highest percentage how your practices are performing against the current key lines of inquiry. It's a great peace of mind as a practice owner or a practice manager to be able to see these sorts of percentages and that quick sort of color rating to tell you that everything is pretty much on track. So hopefully you'll see that this report is a very, very helpful report and is being utilized in practices already, and the feedback we're getting is absolutely fantastic. Keep an eye out for more videos where we'll delve a little bit deeper into some of our other great new features and functions. But also, if this looks like something that could be useful to you, then give us a call or hop on over to our website. You can book a free online demonstration and we can show you this in a bit more detail. It's always nice to be able to show you this on a more specific scale. So if you wanted to see for your particular scenario, however many practices you have, what this could look like and what it could do for you, then a free online demonstration is exactly what you should be doing.